Okay, let's go ahead and hide this. We're gonna go back here. Then we're gonna go to the question. And we're gonna censor it. And then we're gonna go to the next question. Okay. Geography!
No!
Yay!
No! I would like to use a modifier.
Okay, IRyS.
And I would like to put... Wait, what were the 4 modifiers again? Besides the 30-second... What was the other one besides the 30-second one?
The swap.
A strike
The
swap. You don't have any strikes
okay.
on you, though.
No. In that case, 30 seconds up A, please.
Oh. Okay,
Can I
babe.
use a modifier?
Yes, what would you like to do?
I would like a multiple choice.
Okay.
Oh, could we use 2 modifiers or what?
No. No, you may not.
Wow.
Could I like
That's
also
what
make
you
my
call
multiple
cheating.
choice too?
No.
Could I? No.
No.
Um,
No. I'm gonna have to.
IRyS, instead of trying to sabotage me, bless you.
Bless you.
Oh my
Bless
god.
you.
That was you?
Yeah.
Hey, that was a crony sneeze.
Yeah.
What, you have a problem?
Sounds like a little-
having
Like a
fun with
baby
that
boy
in the
right there.
past, yes.
Oh my god. Oh my
Like a
god.
little baby sneeze.
Yeah.
Go
Whoa.
back, okay.
Wow. Okay.
I was gonna say